Okay, thank you, Winnie. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, thanks everyone. Today's session is about a smart start in transforming classroom with High-Teach 5. And our tutor today is Miss Teacher Kim. And today's session is about 2 hours. And our structure is Mrs. Kim from the Kupen Elementary School. And before we started, I would like to do a little bit introduce about High-Teach 5. The High-Teach 5 is a hardcore of the team model. It's a powerful teaching system for small classroom. So it integrates interactive tools and data analysis and the classroom management and the learning assessment. So today we will demo a little bit function about this. And the second one, we will demo about the HiTA5 Teachers app. It's like a strong assistant to teachers. And then the student can enter the class with a student device. They can be a tablet or a cell phone which content with can open the white page. So the student can enter the High-Teach's class. And also they can interact with IRS clickers. And may I remind everyone that you can prepare a computer for listening the workshop today, but please mute for us. And you can prepare a second device, such as a tablet or mobile phone, with any website page that like Chrome, Edge, that can join and experience as a student. Okay, this is our student today. Mrs. King has a really brilliant profile. She's a doctor of education and a licensed professional teacher with bachelor degrees in elementary school education and most efficiency teacher awards, multiple awarded research and president. In the reception of the 2021 Innovation Smart Lecture Award. And she's an active trainer and a demonstration teacher with strong experience in AI integrated classroom. So we are especially thanks the Kupen Elementary School for support this seminar today. So I would like to invite the school head, Madam Mala, to get online and give a brief speech about this. It's
Thank you,
Miss
Sharon,
Mala
for inviting.
online. Hi, welcome.
Okay po. So a pleasant afternoon to each and every one of us. So to the Global Team Model Education Research Institute, so our division office representatives, school leaders, ICT coordinators, teachers, and all participants, good afternoon, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So it is my great honor and immense pride that I warmly welcome each and everyone to the Smart Start Division-wide Smarter Classroom Transformation, the AI-powered professional development program. So today marks another significant milestone in our commitment to providing quality, innovative, and future-ready educator and future-ready educator. So as education continues to evolve in this digital age, we as educator must also embrace the new technologies that will enable us to teach more effectively, more work efficiently, and inspires our learners to become globally competitive citizens. So this workshop a collaborative initiative between Kupang Elementary School and the Global Team Model Education Research Institute, reflects our shared vision of transforming our classroom through innovation. So by introducing the AI-driven tools, the high-efficient teaching assistants, and the AI-powered collaborative learning modules. So we are opening new opportunities for our teacher to enhance our classroom instruction and make informed also the data-driven decision that will benefit every Batangueños learners. So this program is not merely learning new technologies. It is about empowering educators to become innovators, lifelong learners, and of course, a catalyst of positive change. So together, let us explore how artificial intelligence can become a valuable partner in creating more engaging, inclusive, meaningful learning experiences for our students. And of course, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to the Global Team Model Education Research Institute for partnering with us in this meaningful endeavor. Your expertise and commitment to educational innovation are greatly appreciated. Likewise, we would like also to thank our school's division office, Division of Batangas, for its unwavering support in advancing digital transformation in our school. So to all participants, we will encourage you to maximize this opportunity, participate actively, collaborate with one another, and embrace the new ideas with an open mind. So let this workshop inspires us to reimagine our classroom and strengthens our commitment to delivering excellent education in this era of digital transformation. So as we begin today's learning journey, let us remember that technology that not replace teacher, it empowers teachers. And when we empower teachers, we inspires our students. So once again, welcome to the Smart Start Division-wide Smarter Classroom Transformation and AI-powered professional development program. So may this workshop be productive, meaningful, and transformative for all of us. Maraming salamat po, and God bless us all. Thank you, Ms. Sharon. Ms. Sharon, your microphone is mute.
Okay, sorry. Thank you. Thank you, Principal Mala. And is everyone, if you finish today's section, you will get a 3-month HiTeach Pro license, and then officially digital certificate for completely. So, but do make sure you fill out the feedback form. And we will also have a lucky draw after the section. Okay. And next, let's beginning our section today. Let's welcome Teacher Kim.
Hello, good afternoon, Ms. Sharon. Am I audible?
Hi.
So good afternoon, everyone. So good afternoon to our participants. So I am Kimberly Abu, and it is my pleasure to be your speaker for this session, our Smart Start session, Transforming Classrooms with HiTeach 5. So as educators, we continuously look for innovative ways to make learning more engaging, interactive, and meaningful. So today, we will explore how HiTeach 5 can help enhance classroom instruction, increase learner participation, and support effective teaching practices through technology. So I encourage everyone to actively participate and enjoy the learning experience and to make our session even more exciting, we will also have a raffle draw, just like what Ms. Sharon said at the end of the workshop. So stay engaged and remain with us until the closing program for a chance to win special prizes. So let us begin our journey toward smarter, more innovative, and learner-centered classrooms. So let me just allow me to share my screen for a while, please. Is my screen now visible? All right. So let's just do a quick through entering our classroom. So I encourage everyone to get their device, your smartphones. Open your Google Chrome and then key in on the address bar hightech.cc and enter our classroom number and PIN code. So for a while, I will just start our lesson and I will create a roster for this afternoon. So let's have 100 participants, 8 groups. Okay, so our classroom code is 169236. 169236. And our PIN code is 3134. So you may write it down so that whenever you will be log out, you can still enter our classroom. So once again, our classroom code is 169236 and our PIN is 3134. So you may choose any number, any seat, and enter your name. So I encourage everyone to put your complete name so that whenever we have the raffle draw, we can have your complete name. So let me just look at our roster. So only one is present. So you may choose other number once again. So to connect with our Hightech page, so you will open your Google Chrome and then enter on the address bar hightech.cc. And this one will appear on your screen. So you will be a student for this afternoon. And then you will key in the classroom code 169236. And for the PIN number, it is 3134. And then enter your full name and select a seat for you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are many. There are still more available seats for you. Okay. So we just have 7 attendance yet. So we're waiting for the others. So if ever you have someone beside you, your colleagues, so you may also ask them to participate in this session. Ms. Sharon, may I ask if my screen is visible?
Yes. Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
I have put the website at the text box, and teachers can use the website to join the class. And our class number is on the text box too, and also showing on the screen is 169236. and the pin code is 3134.
Okay.
So, okay, we have 11.
We have 11 attendees in
Okay.
our class.
Okay. And you can also use your device to scan the QR code. Can also enter a class too. Right now, teachers, you don't have to like download any apps or any software at your device. You can only open a website and use the website page, or you can scan the QR code on the screen.
Okay, so let's keep the ball rolling. So
Okay,
let's
that's
do
fine.
Okay, so let's do a quick self-check using HiTeach. So please select the emoji that best describes how ready you feel to participate in today's session. So there is no wrong or right answer. This is just a simple way for us to gauge our energy and readiness to learn. So whether you are excited, feeling neutral, a bit curious, or still warming up, your response is still valuable. So take a moment to choose your answer and let's see how our group is feeling today. So if you're very ready and excited, key in 1 on your clicker or your device. If you feel neutral or just okay, you may click 2. If you are ready but a bit curious, you may click 3. And if you are not yet ready but willing to learn, you can click number 4. So wait for a while. I will just send this on your devices. All right. So I will just give you 10 seconds to answer this one.
Teacher, please check your screen, the website you just enter. There will be 1, 2, 3, 4 you can choose.
So there's no student still in seat number 1. Okay, so let us view your answers. So others are not yet still answering. We have 5, 29, and 8 are not yet keying their answer. Okay, so let us have your answers. All right. So thank you for your responses. It's great to see that many of you are feeling ready and excited for today's session. So for those who selected neutral or ready but with a bit curious, I hope our activities will spark your interest and confidence as we go along. So to celebrate your answers, I will just show you a firecracker. Okay. So for those who feel not yet ready but are willing to learn, so thank you for being honest. So your willingness to learn is already a great starting point. So now we move to our first session. So today's classroom requires flexibility. Teachers need tools that allow them to move around the room while maintaining control of instruction. So the HITA mobile assistant was designed exactly for that purpose. So it allows teachers to interact with classroom technology directly from their smartphones. Okay, this is the HITA mobile assistant. So you may use this as remote control in controlling your commands using your HiTeach. So the HITA app in your phone is a super powerful classroom assistant. So when it is paired with HiTeach, it can be a remote control for your PowerPoint slides or HiTeach pages. It also can be a text input device and a tool for live streaming and also screen mirroring. So you will connect it first, the HiTA, to HiTeach using the QR code, just like what I did a while ago. So this is the QR code. If you are the teacher, you will click or scan this QR code and you may use this as your remote control. So let's have them one by one. So this is the minimize button. So the minimize button lets you switch from desktop mode and back to the whiteboard mode. So for now, you are already in the whiteboard. So when you click the minimize button, it will go to the desktop mode. And if you click it again, you will be back to the whiteboard mode. So how about the pick out? So the pick out, when you tap the pick out button, randomly select a student from the class list. So I will just try by using my HiTa mobile assistant. Okay, so when you click this, somebody in your class is being selected. So the timer button select a duration and a start of countdown. So you will just click this button on your HiTa mobile assistant and you will choose what time or countdown you will use in your activity. Okay, how about the scoreboard? So the scoreboard, when you tap the scoreboard, it will add points to the group. So you can also open and close the scoreboard anytime you want. So for example, I click my scoreboard in the HiTa mobile assistant. I click the plus button. So points are being given to different groups in the class. So how about the photos? So when you click the photos, the photo button on your HiTa mobile assistant, it will help you select one or more pictures from your phone to send to the whiteboard. So you can also use your phone's camera to take a picture of a student's work and send them to the whiteboard. So this is just a great way to facilitate class discussions and provide feedback. So I will just select some photos from my phone so I may send it to the whiteboard. Okay, so these are some photos that are saved on my phone and sent to the whiteboard. So you do not need any wires or connections. So how about the text? So the text button, to use HiTa to take picture of a document and automatically transform it into text. So you can also invite your students to speak in their HiTa app to input text. And this is such great for having their thoughts or ideas, and you can send it to the whiteboard. So I will try to send a text from my phone. So for example, I have something here. I have a photo here and I will send this. So it will transform into text. So this is how this text button works. Okay, so how about this live video? So these are two of HiTa's most powerful features. So the HiTa screen in the video was recorded using the screen mirroring function. So which lets you instantly share documents, videos, photos, or applications from your phone to the big screen. So just click the end mirroring button to close the cast. So the live features uses your phone's camera to live stream a demonstration or an activity or experiment. So this instantly projected onto the big screen for the whole class to see, especially those who are seated on the back, so they can see it properly. So I will just try to click the video or the live button here. Okay, so just what you can see in your screen. Okay, so I am having, you can have a live demonstration. So you will just tap the stop button to end it. Okay, so let us use this material in having this one. So this will prove that you may facilitate learning even you are not beside the television or your gadget. So just by using your HITA app connected to HiTeach, you have the control of this material. So let us have this one. So which sentence best describe the images? So I am sending you this question through my HITA mobile assistant. So please answer this by using your mobile phones by selecting 1, 2, 3, or 4. So after everyone responds, we will view the chart and reveal the correct answer. So wait for a while and I will just send this to you. Okay, so you may now key in your answer and I will give you at least 30 seconds to answer this one.
Participate, you can use your screen to select the numbers for the answer.
Okay, time is up. So let us have your answers. Okay, so I will just capture this one. So 11 of you answered number 3 and 1 answered number 1. So using your mobile assistant, you can set the answer. Okay, and let's have another the chart. Who got the correct answer? Okay. All right. So those who answered number 3 get the correct answer. And for that, here's a firework for all of you. Okay? All right, so now we have a better understanding of what the HITA mobile assistant is and how it supports flexible and interactive teaching. So it's time for you to see its capabilities in action. So you'll discover how this powerful tool can help us manage lessons, engage learners, and enhance classroom interaction, all from one convenience of our smartphone. So let's explore its features and experience firsthand how this HITA mobile assistant can become an essential partner in our teaching journey. So I will just show you how are you going to do this. So I hope that everyone downloaded the HITA app in their laptops and HITA app in their smartphone. So when you open the application on your laptop, so you can see this just like in my screen, this one. So upon starting the lesson, you will get your smartphone and open the HITA app. So you will scan the QR code there for you to log in. And after you have logged in, you may click this one, the notebook one, the notebook icon in the top. And then you may scan this QR code. So this QR code will be your gate pass for you to use your mobile phone as your remote control. So you will see this one in your mobile phones and you will click remote control so you can use your smartphones as your remote control while using HiTeach. Okay, so I hope everyone can follow these steps. Okay, so if you have scanned it, so these buttons, the gray buttons, becomes blue. So when this becomes blue, it means you may already use your phone in doing the commands. So you may roam inside your classroom while still facilitating learning and using your PowerPoint slides using HiTab Mobile Assistant. All right. So now it's time for one exciting part. So as our way of thanking you for joining us today, so we will be having our first part of the raffle draw. So 3 lucky participants will win a 3-month Hightech Pro license. This will give you access to a premium high-tech features that you can use to further enrich your classroom instruction, and also you will receive an official digital certificate of completion as recognition of your participation for today's Smart Start session. So please send a private message to Hubbook's Facebook page to know the mechanics on how you are going to claim your prize. So let's not keep everyone waiting. Get ready, cross your fingers, and let's find out who will be our 3 lucky winners for this session. So good luck to everyone. Okay. So I will be just using the pin at the wheel. Start. See if this what happens. Will you give the chance to others for the
Yeah,
free
Teacher King.
license?
Teacher King is okay. I think that we can offer the participate is like almost 30. We will offer them the license.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So will I still spin this wheel, or we will continue with the second session?
We can continue to the second session.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So our next session focuses on creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking. So one of the most powerful uses of artificial intelligence in education is its ability to support brainstorming and idea generation. So HiTech has this AI-powered collaborative mind mapping tool which enables learners to organize ideas visually while allowing multiple students to contribute simultaneously. So this will make thinking visible and promotes active participation. So I will just add a new page. So from the teaching tools area in the right side, we will select the AI button. So upon clicking the AI button, click the mind map prompts. Okay, so the first 4 here are non-editable. So you can click another one for you to duplicate prompts button to add a new command. Okay, so I will just use my Reddit prompt here. So you will input the command here in the condition prompt, and then click try it or confirm to create your own personalized and reusable mind map command. So notice how AI serves not as a replacement for thinking, but as a partner that stimulates creativity and a deeper discussion. Okay, so let's just wait for it to, okay, so I used nouns for this AI mind map. So you can have, so as educators, we know that learning becomes more meaningful when students are actively involved in constructing knowledge rather than simply receiving information. So using the mind map, we can also use the collaborative mind mapping so that learners can contribute their ideas in real time. So it will allow them or the entire class to build a visual representation of their thoughts and understanding. So whether they are activating their prior knowledge brainstorming ideas, summarizing lessons, or even planning projects. This feature encourages participation for every learner. So you may send this to them. So you will click these 9 squares here on the right side, and you will see these 2 hands for collaboration. Okay, so you will click group collaboration and then confirm. So the participants will receive this mind map. So each one from the group can add ideas in this mind map. So you may add your ideas, you may write your examples. So collaboration is important.
So every participant, you will see on your screen that there's a handshake together, and you can click the handshake button. Then you will enter in your group mind map, and you can add comments or add the contents in your group mind map. It will also show in on the teacher's screen.
Okay, so you can tell your students that they have 3 minutes. They will be given 3 minutes or 1 minute to answer this mind map. So you are given a minute to finish or to add some inputs or ideas regarding this mind map about kinds of nouns. Okay, so when the time is up, you may click the red button to stop the collaboration. So you will confirm it. So the system will screenshot all the answers of your students. Okay. So after gathering and organizing ideas through collaborative mind mapping, so the next challenge is making sense of all the information collected. So this is where the AI summary feature becomes a valuable tool. So you may click the AI summary and wait for the response. Okay, so you can see here the additional inputs from the group members in your class. So instead of manually reviewing every response, HiTeach 5 can automatically analyze the contributions and generate a concise summary of the key ideas discussed by the class. So this helps teachers quickly identify the common themes, the important concepts, and the areas that may need further clarification. So the AI summary feature not only saves time, but it also supports meaningful reflection and discussion in it. So it also allows both the teachers and also the learners to see the bigger picture, which ensures the important insights are captured and understood. So by transforming multiple responses into a clear and organized summary, HiTeach 5 makes learning more efficient, more focused, and engaging. So through this AI class collaborative mind mapping, so we have seen how HiTeach 5 transforms brainstorming and idea generation into a more interactive and meaningful learning experience. So by combining the power of artificial intelligence with real-time collaboration, so learners are encouraged to think critically, organize their ideas, and build knowledge together. So as educators, this feature allows us to facilitate deeper engagement and foster creativity in ways that traditional methods may not easily achieve. So again, so how can we do this? We will just add another page, click the AI GPT assistant on the right side. Okay, so click the mind prompts. So the first four, again, the first four prompts are non-editable. So you may click, you will add one, and you will enter your prompt here on the condition prompt, and you will click try it, and the prompt will appear. The general mind map will appear. Okay, so this is how you are going to do this. So I hope everyone followed how to use this GPT AI assistant, specifically this mind mapping assistant. Okay. So I think we are going to our third session for this afternoon. So I think all of our students love and enjoy playing games, isn't it? So research consistently shows that the learners become more engaged while learning feels enjoyable and meaningful. So as a new feature in HiTech 5, there is a gamification learning. So the gamification tools is already available in HiTech, which transforms lessons into exciting classroom experiences. So through interactive games, scoreboards, and friendly competitions. So HiTech provides a variety of auxiliary features for game-based learning. So including the pick out, we also have the board game and also the contest game. So I will use my sample to demonstrate how to use one of its gamification application, which is the Whack-A-Mole Challenge within the board game module to design a noun game. So let me just get my material here. So be sure that it is in the HTEX file. So I will just import. All right. So I have here the Whack-A-Mole Challenge game. So I will be sending this one to you.
Ready. Go.
Okay. So as you can see, there are three buttons here, the play button, the setting button, and the push button. So when you're going to send it to your class, you will press the push button. Okay. So the game data sent successfully into your mobile phone. So you may click the link on your mobile phones and enjoy playing the Whack-A-Mole game. So in classroom setting, you may select a student to come in front and click the play button, and the student can begin the challenge. So if you want everyone to experience to play the game or the challenge on the game screen, so you will just simply click the push button. So all student devices will receive the game's link. So just like what I did now, students click the hyperlink to open a new page and can now play the challenge game that the teacher just pushed. So this will allow you for repeated practice to achieve a mastery.
Ready. Go.
Okay. So just I think all of us score and send it to you. Okay, so they can also play it again. So another one is the falling sweeps. Okay, so I will send another game challenge for you. So in this one, you will just click the adjectives that will appear on your mobile phones. So wait for the link. Okay, so the data was sent successfully on your devices. So you may start also doing
Ready. Go.
Select adjectives.
Just a reminder that teachers may see on your screen there will be a website you can click and you can play the game. And try to play the game. I think the last game will be really fun, and I think that a lot of teachers they don't know how to go in the game. So can we try that again?
Okay, so wait for a while.
Yes, because
will-
maybe they are not familiar with the screen show.
Okay, so I will
Okay, thank
I'll
you.
just repeat this game. So again, I will click this button, the push button. Okay, so a link will be sent on your mobile devices. So you may tap the link for you to be directed into this game. And then after you have entered the link, tap the green button to start playing the game, and it will show ready, set, go. So you may now tap the adjectives that will fall from the ocean. So you may tell your students to just click the adjectives that will appear in their mobile phones.
Ready.
So I will be also playing
Go.
this. In your classroom setting, you may ask pupils for their time. You can see that the two of them will compete from each other. So who will get the higher point? Okay. So I think our pupils or our learners will be really enjoying this game. So I'll demonstrate how are you going to prepare this whack-a-mole game. So I will just add a new page. Okay. So from the right hand teaching tools area here, so you can see a hammer and an icon with a hammer and a chick's head here. So you will click it, and then you will choose what game you're going to use. So you can use the whack-a-mole game. Okay, so you can drag this one. So you can drag this one, adjust the size and the position of the game window. So if you will not use this
Ready.
about the fruits,
Go.
of course. Okay. So you will click the setting button. Okay, so you will clear the data that you can see here. So you will clear the data and then you will enter your topic. For example, multiples of 5. If you have math class, multiples of 5. So you may write here the correct answer. So separate the answers by commas and then you will click enter. You will click enter. And for the error items, you will also do the same. You will just enter the error answers and then they must be separated by commas, and then after that, you will press enter to add them. Okay, you will press enter, and then you will choose the game duration of the game. So if you want it to be 20 seconds, click 20 seconds. If you want the duration to be 40 seconds, you may click it. But I will choose 30 seconds. And the multi-stay duration, you may prolong it. Or you may choose medium, short, or very short. But I will choose long multi-stay duration. And then you will click what background setting do you prefer? Do you want this desert or you want a forest? And then you will save the setting. So you have already the whack-a-mole game.
Ready. Go.
Okay, so I will be trying to send this to you. So you will just click the multiples of 5 that will be shown on your screen. So you will receive another link. Okay, so the game data sent successfully on your devices. Okay, so upon receiving it, click the green button for you to play this multiples of 5 game.
Ready. Go.
Details. Whenever there's an incorrect answer, screen the correct items and the error items. So if ever you want this prepared beforehand your lesson, you may also do this. Just save the file as an HTEX file, and then you may save it on your device. Okay? So through these interactive games, the learning strategies into classroom using games to solve problems and tackle challenges and cleverly designing competition rules and reward mechanisms will create a more lively and interactive and proactive learning environment, which make learning effective and fun. So these innovations remind us that technology is most powerful when it enhances. It does not replaces. Okay? It does not replaces effective teaching. So as we conclude our today's workshop, so let us reflect on our key takeaways for this afternoon. So today, we explored, let me just stop my screen sharing. So data-driven teaching and instant feedback. We also explored mobile assistant classroom instruction, AI-powered collaborative learning, also gamification strategies for increased learning. So I hope you gained valuable insights into how HiTouch 5 can make our classrooms more interactive, collaborative, and learner-centered. So from our HiTA mobile assistant to AI with collaborative mind mapping to board game application, we've seen how technology can support us in creating meaningful learning experiences. So thank you everyone for your active participation and enthusiasm. So once again, good afternoon. Have a wonderful day. Stay inspired and happy teaching. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Ms. King. Let's give a big applause. And thank you, Mrs. King. Okay.